In this video, we are going to construct a nonagon. Start by drawing a side length of 45 mm and label it A and B. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Place your compass on B and adjust it to A. Draw arcs above and below AB. Without changing the compass width, repeat from point A. Draw a straight line through the arc intersections. This is the perpendicular bisector. Label the top intersection as point 6. Place your compass on the midpoint of AB and adjust it to point A. From A, draw an arc to cut the perpendicular bisector. Label this point as 4. Now place your compass on point 4 and adjust it to point A. From A, draw another arc to cut the perpendicular bisector. Label this point as 8. Next, determine point 5, which is the midpoint between points 4 and 6. Place your compass on point 6 and adjust it to more than half the distance to point 4. Draw arcs to the left and right. Using the same compass width, repeat from point 4. Draw a straight line through the two arc intersections. Where this line crosses between points 4 and 6 is point 5. Measure the distance between point 5 and 6. Transfer that distance from point 8 along the perpendicular bisector. This gives you point 9. Place your compass on point 9 and adjust it to point A. Draw the required circle. This is the circumcircle for the nonagon. Set your compass to the side length. Step off the side length around the circle to locate the remaining points and label them accordingly. Join the points to complete the nonagon. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.